Do you consider yourself to be a Python whiz? Can you perform coding miracles under time pressure? Meet Mohanaraj Jagadesan, who will answer these questions for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman and I'm Student Success Associate at INSEAD. And today I have a very special guest amongst us. He is someone who has been the talk of the town at the INSEAD community and is probably one of the most searched upcoming data leader on LinkedIn, I believe, after his amazing win in our very first Python challenge. I would like to welcome Mohanaraj Jagadesan, who is the champion among all the data enthusiasts we have at INSEAD. And among those who participated in this Python challenge, he achieved this wonderful feat by beating over 1,500 candidates, who participated in this quiz. And I would like to extend heartiest congratulations for your win, Mohanaraj.
Thank you, Afreen. Thank you.
Yes. You're most welcome here. And now, Mohanaraj, tell me something really, really exciting about yourself. Introduce yourself to our INSEAD community.
Yes, Afreen. So thanks for the wonderful introduction, Afreen. So myself, Mohanaraj Jagadesan. So I have around 15 plus years of technical and training experience. I have worked in Terry Harris Business Solutions for 11 years. So over there, I learned how to learn new technologies.
Oh.
Days where I upskill myself. So Terry Harris is the best place to learn, and it's the best place for me, basically. And from there, I just moved my career completely to training, that is teaching domain.
All right. Okay.
Yeah. So, and then I was a freelancer for around 1.5 years. Then I joined Spring People, so where I am working currently. So taking trainings for the corporate companies. So
so you train people.
Yes.
Basically, in what? What do you train people in?
So I train so I started my training in Unix shell scripting.
Okay.
Okay, and moved on to Perl scripting, then database, then now into Python.
Oh, finally the Python comes. Yes. This is where we come in.
Exactly.
All right. So tell us more about, which batch and program you are part of at INSEAD.
Okay, so I am part of October 2019 batch.
All right.
Yes. So initially,
and which program you're doing with us?
So I'm doing, so initially I just joined for GCD, Global Certificate in Data Science.
Yes.
Then I upgraded myself to AI as well.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, because it's wonderful. So with Inside, I liked the approach. So I should take his name here, Sujit Majumdar, right?
Yes, yeah, so that was going to be one of my questions. Who's your favorite faculty?
Yeah. So he's just fantastic. He's just fantastic, and he knows how to approach. Okay, he knows how to approach anyone in the community. Okay, so he's just one word, fantastic.
Fantastic. That's great. That's amazing to hear. All right. So, when you joined INSEAD, what was your vision for joining us? Like, what were you looking forward to?
Right. So when I joined INSIDE, so I just want to be a star in Python and as well as in data science domain, because this is the very hottest field now.
Yes.
Right. So without AI, we can't nowadays.
Because nowadays everything.
Yeah. So in day-to-day life, we are using AI applications.
Yes.
Smartphones.
Okay. Even to unlock our mobile phones, we need AI technology, right?
Exactly. Yeah. So now AI is everywhere.
Yes.
For example, earlier, if I want to go to some other country, right? So it's very difficult.
Yes.
So we need to learn that particular language, but it's now it's not like that. So I have Google Translator.
Yeah.
So whatever I want to learn, I can just learn by myself. Okay. Yes. So I think AI is is going to rule the world, and it's ruling it basically.
Yes, it is. It is. It's so,
yeah, it is ruling the
so
world.
trending, and it's so booming these days. I think
Exactly.
everybody, I interact with, so many students on a daily basis, and I have kids who are interested. They're in like 14 or 15, and they're talking about
Yes.
data analytics and artificial intelligence of
Yes,
fields.
basically, I started learning Python in my age of I think 26. No, not even 26. I think in 30s.
Okay.
Okay. So that is in 2014, I started learning. I think
Alright.
in the age of 33.
Yeah.
But if you check the abroad students, right? So
Yeah.
they are studying Python in school days itself.
Exactly.
When they are 13. So where is
Wow.
30? Where is 13?
Yeah, we have kids in our country who are making
Yes.
apps at the age of 9 and 10. It's
Exactly.
amazing. It's baffling actually.
Yes.
So
yes.
yes,
Python
the
is
trend
amazing. Python is
It's amazing, yes, and the trends are changing and it's upcoming, like you said. So obviously, so now I get the vision. I get the vision with which you joined us.
Yes.
Okay, so Mohan, tell us, how did you prepare for this competition? When you heard about this, what was your strategy to prepare for the competition?
Right. So we have that Python starter toolkit, right? I think
Yeah.
it is available inside
Yeah.
courses. So, and also I referred the videos
Mhm.
which we had taken
Mhm.
during the Python classes.
Okay.
And I used to do programming as well because I love programming. Okay. So when I quit Torrey Harris, I was a technical lead basically. That is, it's a kind of associate project manager level. Okay. But when compared to the that particular position, so I always love coding. Okay. So coding is the best part in me basically. Okay. So when I try to prepare that particular challenge, right? So I wrote programs. Okay. So by myself, by referring the videos. Okay. And I just prepared by having some assignment questions, something like that.
Okay. So that was okay. And once you got that email from us that you have actually won the the challenge, what was your reaction? What was going on in your head? Please tell me.
So basically, right, what happened was I was in temple that time. So it was a local festival that time. Okay, so my friend had called me. So he's also in inside. So through him, I joined. So his name is
Okay.
So hope you might have heard. He just called me. But unfortunately, I missed the call. Okay. Then I saw the email when I was just stunned actually. So, and then I called him, and then he told me that he has called me to wish me.
Oh, it's a congratulations.
Yeah, exactly. So I was stunned actually.
What an auspicious time, yeah. You were getting God's blessings,
Yes, exactly.
And the good news came to you.
Yes,
right?
Exactly,
so
exactly.
Amazing.
That's God's grace, basically.
God's grace, absolutely.
Yes,
God's grace, yes. And okay, so while you were attending the quiz, did you find that you were getting tricked by a certain question?
Yes, exactly. So there is some question wherein I think Sujit has given some function. Okay. So he wants to find us like which is not the like invalid statement, something like that. Okay. So that was a bit trickiest for me, and then I just analyzed. Okay, so this might be the answer. So
yeah. Okay, so brainstorming, a lot of brainstorming went into the entire quiz.
And there were few more questions, but I couldn't remember actually.
Oh, okay. No, it's all right.
Basically.
Yeah. So means it wasn't a very, very easy task. You had to really think about it, right? All the applications that you've studied in our course. That's great.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now, if I'll give you an option, how would you prepare differently for this competition, or let's say for future challenges, that will be coming at INSEAD? How do you think now that you prepared this, because this was the very first challenge, right?
Yes.
So now that there are more in store, and we would like to see your name on more of our trophies. So how do you think you would prepare differently for it?
Okay, so I have to do more hands-on.
Okay.
So when going just going through the videos, so it's not enough basically, right? Yeah. So we need more practice. The practice make a man perfect, right?
Perfect. Yes.
Yeah.
So
we need more
next time you
practice.
can, next time you can handle those tricky questions, right?
Yes, exactly.
Right. Okay.
So
So
practice is must, basically.
Yes. So now that you have done this challenge and you know there are future challenges also coming, how would you, some tips, and tricks that you would like to give your fellow Insadians, on preparing for this? What would be your top tips, let's say, that you would like to give?
So top tip is be confident while answering.
Yes.
Okay? That is the very first thing I should say to everyone. Be confident. And then don't think that you are attending a quiz or you are attending an exam. Okay, just take it as a opportunity.
Okay, Mohan. So carrying forward, now that you have gone through all these preparations and all the trick questions that you've told us, what suggestion would you like to give to your fellow Insadians or the competitors at INSEAD, to what makes a winning formula, or how you would like them to prepare for future? Tell us that.
Yes, right, Afrin. So basically, right, so they have to do lots of practice. So practice, as I said earlier, practice makes the man perfect. So they just like they should not just go through the videos.
Yes.
Okay, so they have to practice a lot, and then they have to analyze all the scenarios.
Yes.
Okay, so they have to for example, if they are studying one particular topic, right, so they have to analyze with respect to all the scenarios, basically. Okay, so we have to focus on the negative scenarios rather than the positive scenarios. Okay.
Yes.
And while attending the quiz, they should be confident. Okay, so they should not be nervous. They should not think, so this is something like a board exam or something like that. So they have to just take it like that, basically. Okay, because the thinking makes a man different. Okay, so if you think, okay, so I'm going to write an exam like board exam, something like that. So so obviously that particular person will feel nervous. Okay, but if you think differently, okay, so let's test our knowledge in that. Okay, so give your 100% effort. Definitely you will get the good results.
Absolutely.
So basically, we should not attend the exam for the medal, basically. Okay, so we have to be part of the exam. Okay, so rest.
Yes, I think you should believe in yourself, and
exactly.
you also had spoken about confidence, right?
So yes. Right? Exactly.
Okay, so now that this is done, what type of other competitions would you like to see in future at INSEAD? Give us some suggestions that we should bring forward. What else would you like to see?
Yeah. So first of all, I thank INSIDE for having such kind of competitions.
Yes.
So even what happened?
No. Yes, please carry on.
Yeah. So even this Saturday we have some competition. I think like data detective challenge.
Data detective. Yes.
Yes. Exactly. So I saw the email yesterday.
Yes.
So the thing is, if you contact the challenges like this, right? So the participants will be more engaged.
Yes.
Okay. So they will be more attractive towards the INSIDE community.
Yes.
Okay. So because whenever we study some new technology, right? Yes. Okay. So we will believe in ourselves when we attend some test.
Yes.
That is, we have to test ourselves, like where we are, where we stand, something like that. Okay. So I'm happy with that.
You're happy with that. No, it's really wonderful to know all the insights from your end, Mohan. Thank you once again for being part of this challenge and for giving us such useful insight. And we hope to see you, more participation from your end. And I hope everyone, everybody does take you as an inspiration from now onwards. You've set the bar really high. And hopefully we'll see. You set the bar high. Everybody wants to be Mohan now instead and get that trophy. We really love that image with the trophy that you have, and hope to see more of your face on these competitions. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for giving us your precious time, Mohan.
Thank you, Afrin. Thanks for your time as well.
And have a wonderful day. Okay.
Thank you, Afrin. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.